Hello students, today we are going to start Unit 1 Changing Trends and Career in Physical Education. In this video, we are going to cover the first two topics, meaning and definition of physical education and aims and objective of physical education. Physical education is composed of two words, physical means body and education means modification of behavior. Thus, education through physical activity. Its aim on overall development of human being through participating in various games and sports activity. Modern physical education was started in 18th century in Germany, where physical education was an integral part of school curriculum. Since then, many changes have taken place and various aspects have emerged with time. The basis of physical education is difficult and very broad with changing time. Its meanings also kept changing. Following time and its meaning are given like according to Charles A. Butcher, physical education is an integral part of total education process and has its aim in the development of physical, mental, emotional, socially fit citizens through the medium of physical activities, which has been selected with a view to realize these outcomes. Physical education is the sum of changes in the individual caused by experience which can bring in motor activity. Aims and objectives of physical education. Physical education has been defined in various ways by experts and institutions in this field. These are: physical education is that phase of education which deals with big muscle activity and their related response, by J.B. Nash. Physical education is that phase of education which is concerned first with the organized and leadership of children. In big muscles activity, the gain of development and adjustment intervenes in the activity according to social standard, and second with the control of health or growth conditions naturally associate with the leadership of the activity so that the education process may go on without growing handicap, by Clark W. Hatterington. Physical education is an integral part of total educational process and has as its aim the development of physically, mentally, emotionally and socially fit citizen through medium of social activity, by Charles A. Butcher. Physical education is education through physical activity for the development of total personality of child to its fullness and perfection in body, mind and spirit, by Central Advisory Board of Physical Education and Recreation. The ultimate aim of physical education is development of an individual. The means and ways we adopt to achieve our aim are called objectives, and those are physical development, mental development, social development, emotional development and spiritual development. First, physical development. The main objective of physical education is physical development. Physical education is related to several physical activity. When we do any of them, it affects our different body systems like blood circulation, muscular system, digestive system and etc. It results in development of the size and shape of organs. It is helpful to make body healthy and strong. If our body systems are fine and healthy, only then we shall be able to do our work efficiently and be safe from several diseases like high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity and arthritis. For example, running increases the heart rate, which helps the blood to flow efficiently through the whole body. Second, mental objective. This objective is related to mental development. There should be some physical activity in physical education which keep our brain alert and concentrated. Nowadays, physical education is not related to physical exercises only, but it also includes rules of game, principle and structures of body, etc. The physical activities sharpen the brain. By taking part in these activities, a person learns to tackle various situations. During sports, many situations occur in which a player takes his or her self decisions, so this results in their mental development and decreases the stress level. Social development. This objective of physical education is related to social skills which are helpful in coordination. During a competition, players of different regions come together on a single platform. So they learn cooperation, support, respect, good sportsmanship, etc. These skills player can make their nation healthy and strong. Emotional development. The objective of physical education is to make an individual emotionally develop through physical activity. A man is endowed with different emotions like happiness, jealousy, hope, despair, joy, and etc. If they do not control these emotions, thus there will be no place for them in the society, which can be harmful for them. Physical education program develop these emotions and teach us how to control them. And lastly, spiritual development. The objective of physical education for an individual is to reflect, time to evaluate their experience, to allow them to build a positive mindset and promote progression.